When it comes to mounting your phone in the car, not all solutions are made with your vehicle in mind. Most are ill-fitting, one-size-fits-all options that don't take dashboard length or even the angle of your windshield into account. That's why we've created WindshieldFone, a highly versatile, suction-mounted mobile device holder that adjusts to fit perfectly in any vehicle while minimizing bulk that can restrict a driver's view. Let's take a closer look. When choosing WindshieldFone, you have two options: WindshieldFone, which has a 3-inch arm, and WindshieldFone with extension, which includes 3 different arm lengths: the 3-inch arm, a 5-inch arm, and a long telescopic arm that can be adjusted to fit the deepest of dashes. Rest your WindshieldFone horizontally across your dashboard or mount it above the dash as low as possible. For longer dashboard depths, there's an optional rubber bumper on the telescopic arm that helps keep WindshieldFone in your desired position. When used correctly, the arm should disappear from sight, offering the most unimpeded view of the road ahead. WindshieldFone's unique patent-pending quick lock and release allows you to place and remove your phone using just one hand. When you hear that click, you know your phone is secure. The head also tilts and rotates, allowing you to lock in the perfect viewing angle. WindshieldFone is 100% designed, engineered, and manufactured by WeatherTech in the USA, so you can count on the quality you're receiving. Safe travels!